Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I'm your host, Evan, and today we are wrapping up the market action with the insights you need. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your home for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let's dive in. Meta is the star of the show today, up 6%. Investors are cheering the company's aggressive pivot into AI, specifically the launch of its new cloud infrastructure unit, Meta Compute, and the upcoming production of its in-house AI chips. The market is also buzzing about its new Muse AI tools, which are being integrated across its social platforms to drive ad revenue. Circle Internet Group is also seeing a lot of action, up 5%, after the company received approval from the US government to operate as a national trust bank, a major milestone for the stablecoin issuer. Meanwhile, Netflix is down about 3% today, as investors remain cautious ahead of their earnings report next week, with concerns about subscriber growth and stiff competition weighing on sentiment. Lastly, Apple is hovering near flat, and C is up roughly 2%, likely continuing to ride the momentum from recent growth trends in its core gaming and e-commerce segments. Turning to the broader market, it was a positive day for Wall Street. The S&P 500 rose 0.4%, and the Dow and Nasdaq both climbed about 0.3%. The market seems to be shaking off geopolitical jitters as investors gear up for the start of earnings season next week. The main driver today was clearly the continued appetite for AI-related growth, which lifted tech shares despite a slight uptick in treasury yields. Interestingly, the Russell 2000 slipped 0.5%, showing that the rally was concentrated more in those large-cap tech winners than in smaller, more interest-rate-sensitive companies. In the AI economy, the story is all about infrastructure and adoption. We are seeing a massive push for agent AI, with companies like Google Cloud and Accenture partnering to bring these tools to the mid-market. It is clear that the industry is moving from simple chatbots to complex agent systems that can actually execute tasks. On the hardware side, the debut of South Korean chip giant SK Hynix on the Nasdaq today was a major event, with the stock soaring 13%, signaling that demand for memory chips to support AI workloads remains incredibly robust, even as some competitors like Micron saw pressure. Looking at other stocks in focus, equipment share surged 17% today after raising its full-year outlook, which really caught the attention of traders. We also saw a strong move in the industrial sector, though overall the market sentiment remains heavily skewed toward tech and financial services. Regarding earnings, we had a few names on the radar. Bitmine Immersion Technologies and Firefly Aerospace, along with Washington Federal, are all on the calendar, but it is important to note that many of these companies have upcoming reporting dates rather than major releases today. We are keeping a close watch as the official earnings season kicks off next week. To wrap things up, the market is showing resilience as investors look toward earnings, with AI infrastructure and sector-specific growth stories driving the biggest moves. Thanks for listening to Finpod today. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if there is a specific stock or topic you want us to cover. For stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. See you tomorrow.